Picture this, a tricycle, but not just any tricycle. A fully functional camper on 3 wheels. This is the Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle, a fascinating blend of mobility, minimalism, and creativity that challenges traditional ideas of travel and shelter. Imagine pedaling through the city, the countryside, or even unknown terrain, all while carrying a compact, self-contained living space right behind you. It's the ultimate combination of adventure and practicality. Kevin Cyr, a Boston-based artist known for his unique take on urban mobility and alternative living spaces, designed this one-of-a-kind pedal-powered camper. His work often explores themes of autonomy, self-sufficiency, and repurposed functionality. The camper tricycle is no different. It's an art piece that doubles as a statement on human ingenuity and the possibility of a simpler, nomadic lifestyle. Built on the sturdy frame of a Chinese 3-wheeled cycle, the camper tricycle features a wooden, box-like cabin mounted at the back. It's compact, yet surprisingly functional. Inside, there's just enough space to fit the essentials: a sleeping area, storage compartments, and a few basic amenities. While it may not have the luxury of a high-end RV, its simplicity is what makes it so compelling. Every inch is optimized for utility, turning something as small as a tricycle into a personal retreat. But beyond its practicality, this vehicle raises questions about urban living, environmental impact, and the future of transportation. Could something like this serve as a sustainable housing solution? Would it be possible to adapt the concept for modern nomads, digital wanderers, or even those seeking an escape from skyrocketing rent prices? The camper tricycle is more than a quirky invention. It's a conversation starter. One of the most intriguing aspects of the camper tricycle is its balance between mobility and stability. Unlike a car or van, which requires fuel and frequent maintenance, this tricycle runs purely on human energy. Pedal power drives the entire structure, making it both an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to travel. It eliminates the dependence on gasoline, insurance, and traditional home expenses, allowing its user to embrace a freer, more independent lifestyle. The camper tricycle's design is reminiscent of tiny homes, a movement that has gained significant traction in recent years. People around the world are downsizing, moving into smaller spaces, and finding new ways to live efficiently. This tricycle camper embodies that same philosophy, living with less but experiencing more. It challenges the norm of excessive consumption and instead promotes a stripped-down way of life where only the essentials matter. But how does it hold up in real-world scenarios? While the camper tricycle isn't built for high-speed travel or rough terrain, it excels in urban and suburban environments. It's perfect for leisurely rides through city streets, scenic paths, or even as an artistic statement parked in a bustling metropolitan area. Since it doesn't require a driver's license, it opens up possibilities for people of all ages and backgrounds to experience mobile living without the bureaucratic hurdles of vehicle ownership. Of course, there are limitations. Storage space is minimal, and long-distance travel might be challenging, especially on uneven roads or against strong winds. Pedaling a fully loaded camper requires stamina and patience, but for those who see the journey as part of the adventure, these challenges become part of the charm. It's about embracing a slower pace of life, appreciating the surroundings, and finding joy in self-sufficiency. Cyr's work isn't just about functionality, it's about making a statement. His camper tricycle questions societal norms about space, ownership, and necessity. In a world where bigger is often seen as better, this tiny, human-mannered home on wheels reminds us that sometimes less is more. It's a piece of moving art that sparks conversations about sustainability, mobility, and alternative living. Art enthusiasts, cyclists, minimalists, and environmentalists alike find inspiration in this project. It has been featured in numerous exhibitions and publications, drawing attention from those interested in creative urban solutions. The design is both nostalgic and futuristic, recalling a time when human-mannered travel was the norm, while hinting at a possible future where micro-living takes center stage. Imagine taking this tricycle on an adventure, pedaling through quiet neighborhoods, setting up camp by a lakeside, or even just using it as a mobile art studio. The possibilities are endless. It may not replace conventional homes or vehicles, but it offers an alternative way of thinking. In a rapidly changing world where sustainability is more important than ever, concepts like the camper tricycle challenge us to rethink how we use resources and space. Would a design like this ever go mainstream? Probably not in its current form, but elements of its ingenuity could inspire future innovations. We already see bike-based mobile businesses, compact camper vans, and tiny house movements gaining momentum. A refined, mass-produced version of the camper tricycle could serve as an affordable solution for travelers, artists, or even those facing housing insecurity. For now, Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle remains an artistic expression, a blend of function and philosophy that sparks curiosity wherever it goes. It's a reminder that mobility doesn't always require fuel, that homes don't have to be tied to a single location, and that innovation often comes in unexpected forms. So, the next time you see a camper van cruising down the road, imagine a smaller, pedal-powered version quietly making its way through the streets. An eco-friendly, space-efficient, and endlessly fascinating home on wheels. That's the magic of the Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle.